Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Greetings garden enthusiasts and aspiring horticulturists. Welcome to our how-to guide, where we delve into the fascinating world of vegetable gardening. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a curious beginner, this guide is brimming with tips and tricks to help you explore different vegetables. We're about to embark on a journey full of garden-fresh flavors, health benefits, and the pure joy of growing your own food. So, without further ado, let's dig in. In today's guide, we will explore 5 easy-to-grow vegetables perfect for your small spaces. Starting off our list, we have the versatile tomato, a staple in many kitchens worldwide. This vibrant red fruit, yes, it's technically a fruit, comes in an array of varieties. From the small, sweet cherry tomatoes to the large, robust beefsteak, each variety brings its own unique flavor and use in the culinary world. They're not just delicious, but packed with nutrients like vitamins C and K, potassium, and the antioxidant lycopene. Now let's get to the exciting part, growing them in your own garden. Tomatoes are quite accommodating, even in limited spaces. You'll need a sunny spot, as they love 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Start by planting seedlings, not seeds, and give them a good amount of water, but not too much. They don't like getting their leaves wet, so water from below. With proper care and attention, your small garden could be bursting with ripe, juicy tomatoes in no time. Next on our list is the humble lettuce, a green leafy vegetable that's a must-have in every salad bowl. Lettuce is not just one type, but a family of greens that includes the crisp and crunchy romaine, the sweet and tender butterhead, and the colorful and delicate red leaf. Each type brings a unique flavor and texture to your dishes, not to mention an array of health benefits. Packed with vitamins and minerals, lettuce can help boost your immune system, improve heart health, and even aid in weight loss. Now, let's talk about growing lettuce. The process is surprisingly simple. Start by choosing a container with good drainage, then fill it with well-drained soil. Sow the seeds evenly, cover lightly with compost and water. With a bit of sun, your lettuce will start to sprout in a week or two. Remember, lettuce loves cool weather, so avoid direct midday sun. Growing your own lettuce can be a rewarding experience, especially when you see them crisp and fresh in your salads. Our third vegetable is the nutritious spinach, packed with vitamins and minerals, and loved by Popeye. This leafy green is a superstar in the world of nutrition. It's a rich source of iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. From salads to sandwiches, and even smoothies, spinach can be incorporated in a plethora of dishes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Now, let's talk about growing spinach. You'll be pleased to know that this vegetable is an excellent choice for small spaces. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures, so you can start planting it in early spring or fall. Simply choose a spot in your garden that receives partial shade, as spinach can wilt in too much sun. Plant the seeds about ½ inch deep, and you should see sprouts in just over a week. So if you're looking for a vegetable that's easy to grow and packed with nutrients, spinach is your go-to. Last but not least, we have the crunchy carrot, a root vegetable that's as tasty as it is beneficial. Carrots are a powerhouse of nutrients, brimming with vitamins A, K1, and B6, and they're also a great source of biotin and potassium. Their high fiber content supports good digestive health, while the potent antioxidants they contain can help combat harmful free radicals in the body. And let's not forget their culinary versatility. Carrots can be roasted, steamed, or eaten raw in salads. They add a sweet flavor and vibrant color to stir-fries and soups. And they're the star ingredient in classic dishes like carrot cake and coleslaw. Growing carrots in your small garden space is a simple and rewarding process. Start by choosing a sunny spot and well-drained soil. Sow your seeds directly into the ground, as carrots don't transplant well. Keep the soil moist, and in about 2 to 3 months, you'll have a crop of crunchy, delicious carrots to harvest. With these tips, you'll be crunching on your homegrown carrots in no time. Growing your own vegetables can be a rewarding endeavor, one that not only provides fresh produce but also a sense of accomplishment. Today we've explored the versatility of tomatoes, the humility of lettuce, the nutritious nature of spinach, and the crunch of carrots. Each one an easy addition to any small space garden. So why not roll up those sleeves, get your hands a little dirty, and taste the fruits of your labor? Thank you for joining us in this green thumb journey. Until next time, happy gardening.